In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the camera on in Google Meet. Whether you're joining for a business meeting, a classroom session, or catching up with friends, enabling your camera is essential for those face-to-face interactions. So let's dive right into the steps and make sure your camera ready. First off, we need to navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and visiting the Google Calendar website. Google Calendar is a handy tool where you can schedule your meetings and events. If you've already scheduled your meeting, it'll display right there on your calendar interface. Next, find your scheduled Google Meet event. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for the specific meeting that you've scheduled or been invited to. Give it a click to open up the event details. Here you will see various options like the agenda, attendees, and most importantly, the option to join the meeting via Google Meet. Now, it's time to enter the meeting. Once you've opened the event details, locate and click on the link that says Join with Google Meet. This will direct you to the Google Meet interface. This page is where all the magic happens and where you'll need to ensure everything's set up perfectly before joining. Before you officially join the call, make sure your camera is on. Near the bottom of this preview screen, you should see a small camera icon. Clicking on this icon will toggle your camera on or off. If it shows a line through it, it means your camera is currently off. A simple click will turn it on, allowing others to see you once you join the call. Make sure you have proper lighting and your camera is positioned the way you want before proceeding. Finally, when everything looks good and the camera is just how you want it, go ahead and click on Join Now. By clicking this button, you'll officially enter the meeting and everyone will be able to see and hear you. And there you have it. It's that simple to turn on your camera in Google Meet. Always remember, being on camera allows for more personal, engaging conversations, whether for work or personal meetings. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate the Google Meet interface with ease, go ahead and confidently step into your next virtual meeting. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps enhance your virtual communication experience.